Get unready with me after gym! What's up guys? I just finished working out and I don't know if it's visible and cam, pero grabe ang sweaty, ang oily, dull ng skin ko. Alam mo yung pagod na yung body mo at the same time yung skin mo rin.
After all the sweat and dirt na nasagap ng skin ko from the gym, I have this lifesaver soap. This is the oatmeal soap from Skin Mommy. Perfect for acne-prone skin, dry skin, and uneven skin tone. Nakakatuwa tong soap na to kasi napaka-affordable and perfect for us moms. Stop using harsh exfoliator guys kasi this oatmeal soap is gentle sa skin and exfoliating na rin. It can lighten dark spots pa and smooth sa skin.
This is made for all skin types and even for pregnant and lactating moms. Sinasabi ko sa inyo momshies, this will be your skin's best friend during your pregnancy.
It contains natural ingredients kaya gentle sa skin kaya even sa teenagers ay recommended to. Also, it is FDA approved. So if you still want to be fresh kahit preggy, then get yours now!